perfect type of weed. Alright, so we're taking the Jeep out for the last time this year. I'm gonna bring her to the garage that I got. Park her for the winter. She can get some much needed work done.
...346 minutes later.
Yeah, we're wheeling now, boys. Oh, we got us a big one. So I got one headlight in. It's pretty good. It's not bad. I like the headlights. The other side, the bolts were completely rusted off of that header panel that I bought from the junkyard. So now we need to go find hardware for the other side of the headlight. It's been kind of hard finding good, decent hardware that's in good shape, but I just got to find the bucket and a couple screws. Shouldn't be that hard. I'll pop the other light in, and next video I'll do an oil change. That's long overdue, and I'll go for a drive, see how the headlights actually are, and I'll show you guys how these headlights actually perform in the nighttime. I've seen a few guys on Facebook and a few groups I'm on ask about these headlights, and I haven't driven in the night, so I don't really know how they are, but yeah, I'll catch you guys next video. Got this cute little reef on there now. And that's my jungle hood too, if you're ever wondering. This is my other XJ. This is a 4.0, nothing special. Just got a 3-inch lift, 33s, and yeah, she does the job right. She's a good daily for the winter. And I got that girl too.